Have you ever wondered what to do with your first $1,000? Well, today's your lucky day. Let's dive into some smart ways to turn that cash into a stepping stone for your financial future. First things first, it's crucial to think about your financial goals. Are you saving for a big purchase, looking to build wealth over time, or preparing for retirement? Knowing your why helps with your next steps. All right, if you're just starting out, one of the best ways to put that $1,000 to work is by investing in a diversified portfolio. Think of it as spreading your eggs across multiple baskets. The 3 investment options I'm about to share will help you do just that and ease your mind a little. Option 1. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These are like a buffet of stocks. You get to own a small piece of many different companies, which greatly reduces risk. A great low-cost ETF to consider is one that tracks the S&P 500. It gives you exposure to 500 of the largest U.S. companies, and historically, the S&P 500 has provided around a 10% return annually. Not bad, right? Now hold up. Option 2. Robo-advisors. If you don't want to pick individual funds or stocks, a robo-advisor can take the hassle out of investing. You simply answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and goals, and they'll create a tailored portfolio just for you. You can start with just $500 in many cases, so your $1,000 will get you going strong. Plus, it's like having a financial buddy who does all the heavy lifting. And we can't forget about option 3, high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs. If you're feeling a little wary about the stock market, or just want to keep your money accessible for emergencies, these are good choices. They don't offer the same growth potential as stocks, but they're safer, and you'll generally earn more interest than a traditional savings account. Now, if you're feeling brave and are open to a bit more risk, think about investing in individual stocks. But remember, this is like riding a roller coaster. You can win big, but there's also the chance of losing value. A safe bet is to research companies you believe in and are excited about, like technology or renewable energy. One crucial tip: never invest money you can't afford to lose, and avoid the temptation to panic when the market dips. Stay the course, and remember that investing is a long-term game. Finally, consider adding in a bit of financial education to that $1,000. Invest in a great book or an online course about personal finance or investing. Knowledge is power, and equipping yourself with the right information can make a world of difference in your journey. So, to recap, whether it's ETFs, robo-advisors, high-yield savings, or diving into the stock market, your first $1,000 can be a launch pad for future wealth when invested wisely. Keep learning, stay patient, and soon you'll look back at this moment as the start of something great. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips. And remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best is right now. Happy investing.